What else do you have to do? You gotta just start investing. Welcome to the $1 Million Challenge. Hello everyone, my name is Kaseem. Welcome to today's M1 update. So in today's video, we are going to talk about M1 Finance. And in particular, I've been doing a series where I talk about why I am selling out of stocks. So go watch those videos to get up to date, to catch up. All right, but for those of you that follow me along on the channel, here is another stock that I'm selling. And the reason why I'm selling it is the market is high. You know, I've said it and said it over and over again. The S&P 500 is actually climbing up. And I believe at some point, right, the market will come down a bit and will readjust. So I'm using this opportunity to sell out of stock because the fear and greed index is quite high. But before we get into that, let's talk about the performance of this particular holding. Now, global value, it's a curated stock group of stocks that M1 Finance, you know, this brokerage that I'm using, they actually put together, like they put together themselves. Okay, and here are the picks here, right? Is iShares, Morningstar Value. You know, here are some of the picks. Now, I don't know every single stock size in each of one of this. I can't go into it. If you want me to go into it, comment down below and I will to see the breakdown of each and every single one of the stock size in there. But I'm not going to do that in this video. I'm just showing you that I'm selling and I'm going to sell and I'll move on. That's what this video is, because I want to show every single step of this portfolio, what I'm doing. The only thing that I don't show on a regular basis is my actual buy. But when I'm making something significant like I'm selling, it's important for me to show it. Okay, so we've got about 5,000 in here. About 1,000 in gains is about 45% in gains, which is awesome. Now, I started this May 19, 2020. So that was about 4 years ago. I started with $160 and I put money in little by little. I've put in a total of $4,155 right here, and that has grown to about 5,000. It has paid me in dividend of about $332, and the market gain has been $800. Now, this portfolio I've done okay, it's done well. The market has been up at least probably way more than this, but the portfolio has done well, you know. So I'm going to sell out of this portfolio and put that money into other section of my overall portfolio. Now I have a portfolio of stocks, car rental, YouTube channel. I look at all of those things as investment. I put money into my YouTube channels. I put money into my investment account. Now those portfolio together, that's how I look at my portfolio. And the stock is kind of like is high up there. So I'm looking to sell out of all of this and put that money into the car business. That's what I'm looking to do. So right now I'm just gonna go through the process of just selling. I think that's the best thing that I can do right now because the stocks is high. So let's go ahead and sell out of this. So as you guys can see here, I have pretty much like set it up to sell. So I'm selling all of this, getting rid of global growth from my portfolio. Now we are getting close because I am looking to raise about 30 to 35% on stocks to use that to clear out some debt for my car rental business, the Turo business. I've got about 7 cars, and what I'm doing is raising some cash from stock and using that to put into my own physical business, because I think if I go through that and be able to have a lot of cars paid off, right, I'm able to now get more financing that I can use to buy cheaper cars. Okay, I roughly have about cars. I have cars that roughly about $15,000 to $20,000 roughly, right? So if I am able to get more financing because some debt has been paid off, right, I can go ahead and like buy cars that are cheaper, like 5,000. I can buy with $10,000. I can buy 2 cars, or $5,000 to $7,000 cheaper cars, because people want cheaper rentals. So we can get cars between 8 years old, because right now I'm getting cars within 5 years old. So cars within 8 years old can turn around and be renting it out for anywhere from 35 to 45 per day, that category there. Right now I'm renting my cars from 45 to about 55 per day. So raising money in the market here and using that to, you know, put into my car rental business, I think is a smart idea, because the car rental business makes me roughly about 60,000 a year. And if I can raise some money here and use it to buy some more cars, I think over time that should be a good thing. And if it's a bad decision, it's okay. It's my money. I'll deal with it. You know, it is what it is. But yeah, so I'm done selling this now, and hopefully we'll wait till the afternoon time it sells, go through the process, and we'll see what's up. Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Until next time, see you later. Love you all.